Do you want to add blue notes on Instagram? You can get a blue color note with a kiss emoji on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add blue notes on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To add blue notes with a kiss emoji on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen to go to your profile. At the top of your Instagram profile, you will see your profile picture and a note above it. Just tap on the note. Now, a new screen will appear. In the note text field, type a short message. To make the note blue with a kiss emoji, include words like sabrina, taste, espresso, or nonsense in your message. After typing your message with one of the mentioned words, tap the share button to post your note. Once you've shared the note, the background of your note will change to blue, and a kiss emoji will appear at the top of the note.